Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can set up your Sandbox account in your Rapidbott workspace. So the idea of having a Sandbox account is you can test the chatbot. Like if you're building a WhatsApp-based chatbot in our platform, you can set it up a Sandbox account to test out the builder settings and all. So if you're going with a Cloud API or PSP official channel, then you need to set up your WhatsApp business account and all. So with Sandbox account, you can straight away test it out. So for testing this, you need to go to this WhatsApp channel, normal channel. In WhatsApp bot, you will find 360 dialog. So this is done through 360 dialog. So what you have to do is go to 360 dialog. You will find this number. Just copy this number or just send a message to this number. Type start and send this message to this WhatsApp number from your number, so that in 360 dialog Sandbox you will get an API key which you can use to connect. So at the moment I do have a number connected, so let me release this number. Let me remove it so that I can show you the process. So what you have to do is click on add WhatsApp number. You will get this option. So we need the WhatsApp number and API key. For that, if you go 360 dialog, you will find the WhatsApp number. Just copy the number. So we just put the number here. Make sure the provider is 360 dialog. Now the API key, so which you can get from messaging to this particular number from your WhatsApp number. I have the number here, so I'm gonna message type start and send this message. So now you can see you will get an API key for this Sandbox account. Just copy this API key. Just paste the API key in the API key column and click on the add button. If you get the success message, that means the integration was successful. There wasn't any error. Everything went well. Now next thing, you can create a bot. You can click on add start blank flow and you can set up the bot and connect to this number. At the moment I already have a bot created which is in the Omni-Channel. So I'm gonna connect this Sandbox plan to this Omni-Channel. So what I have to do is so this is the WhatsApp channel which I'm gonna connect. So we created the Sandbox in this WhatsApp, not in the cloud. So make sure link the same thing. So if you click on, you will get the Sandbox number. It will show up here. So click on it and you need to type link to link the bot. So now we do have the bot created and it's connected now to the existing Omni-Channel bot. Now let's open the builder. Let's set up a flow, basic flow, and we can test it out. So at the moment we have something here. I'm gonna build a flow for WhatsApp Sandbox. Let's call it Sandbox itself. This is just to give an idea, like once you build something, it will show up in the will it show up in the Sandbox or not? For testing only we are doing this. Just building a normal flow here. Let's see. So we have a flow created here. Now let's set up a keyword so that we can trigger this exact flow. So we have published it. Now let's do one thing. Go to automations. Here click a new keyword. Let's call it test. The keyword is high, something like that. And this is the flow that we just created to test out in the Sandbox account. Just click on, hit on the save button. Now it is all connected properly. Now let's test it out. So this is the keyword. Let's type the keyword. Now you can see hi there. It's picking up my username on WhatsApp and it's greeting me hi there version. So like that. That's how we test it out. Now click on the hi button. So it's printing the hello world. So this is how you can test your chatbot flow. If you are building a chatbot on WhatsApp, you can directly test it out in the sandbox. So one thing you need to understand is this sandbox only works for the number that you are messaging from. So that the number you created the API key. So from your WhatsApp only it will be responding. You can only test it out. This is not a production or anybody else can test it out. It cannot be tested out. The other thing is some features like WhatsApp message templates and flow, it is not supported on the sandbox, because these things only support when you connect your official WhatsApp account. When you set it up, you need to provide your active payment method and all, like to use the template messages. Also like same for the WhatsApp flows, this is only supported for the verified businesses on Facebook. So these are the things you need to be like have to be careful about. So these two things won't be supported on Sandbox. Overall, if you're building something, you want to test out our platform other features, you can go ahead, you can use the Sandbox to set your own WhatsApp and test it out before going to the production or connecting the official channel. So that's it for the video. If you guys have any further questions or have any doubts, feel free to reach out our support or comment below this video. We will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.